How permanent is laser hair reduction compared to removal? Imagine a world where shaving or waxing becomes a thing of the past. Laser hair reduction offers a way to significantly decrease hair growth, but how permanent is it really? When you undergo laser hair reduction, a concentrated beam of light targets the pigment in your hair follicles. This light heats and damages the follicles, which slows down or halts hair growth in those areas. The results can last 4 months or even years, but it's important to know that it is not entirely permanent. Some hair may regrow over time, especially if hormonal changes or genetics influence hair growth. Usually, regrowth tends to be finer and lighter than before, making maintenance treatments helpful to keep the area smooth. Permanent hair removal, on the other hand, means destroying the hair follicles completely so they can no longer produce hair. The most proven method for this is electrolysis. It uses a tiny needle to deliver an electric current directly into each follicle, destroying it permanently. Electrolysis can treat all hair colors and types, including light or fine hairs that laser might struggle with. Because it targets each follicle individually, it can achieve true permanent hair removal, but it often takes more time and patience since each follicle needs to be treated separately. The main difference between laser hair reduction and permanent removal is effectiveness. Laser is excellent for reducing hair in large areas and is less time-consuming, but it usually requires multiple sessions spaced out over weeks. It works best on darker, coarser hairs because it relies on melanin absorption. Light-colored hairs like blonde or white do not respond as well. Electrolysis can treat all hair types and colors but involves more sessions because of its meticulous process. In terms of results, laser hair reduction can last 4 months or years, but some regrowth is possible. Factors like hormones, genetics, and age can influence how long the results last. For those seeking a permanent solution, electrolysis offers the chance for complete follicle destruction with no regrowth, but it's more time-consuming and often more costly. From a plastic surgery perspective, laser hair reduction is a safe, effective, non-surgical way to achieve long-term hair thinning and smoother skin. It reduces the frequency of hair removal routines and can improve skin appearance. However, if someone wants guaranteed lifelong hairlessness, electrolysis remains the gold standard. The best choice depends on individual goals, hair type, skin color, and how much time and money they are willing to invest. Always consult a qualified medical professional to determine the most suitable option for your needs. Remember, individual responses vary, and what works well for one person might be different for another.